Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about cycling versus running. Which one is better for you? Running and cycling are popular exercises that offer great cardiovascular benefits and can be done outdoors. Choosing the best one for you depends on your fitness goals and personal preferences. 1. Cardiovascular health. Both running and cycling strengthen your heart, helping it pump oxygen more efficiently. Vigorous exercise, whether running or cycling, should be limited to 60 minutes a day and 5 days a week to avoid potential negative effects on your cardiovascular health. 2. Calorie burn. Running typically burns more calories than cycling as it engages more muscles. However, cycling is gentler on your joints and can be done for longer periods, which might lead to more overall calorie burn. 3. Building muscle. Cycling builds muscle in your legs due to the resistance of pedaling. Running doesn't build as much bulk but strengthens and tones muscles throughout your body. 4. Toning muscle. Running may be better for toning muscles as it engages your whole body and burns more calories. Pair running with weight training and a proper diet for noticeable results. 5. Weight loss. Both running and cycling can help with weight loss. Running burns more calories in shorter periods, while cycling can be sustained longer, potentially leading to greater calorie burn over time. In a study, both cycling and running suppressed appetite in young men, which is helpful to control cravings. 6. Other considerations. There are some other things to consider, such as cost. Cycling requires a bike, helmet, and maintenance, making it more expensive than running. However, a good pair of running shoes is also an investment to protect your joints. Chronic conditions. Cycling is easier on the joints but may aggravate lower back pain. Running has a higher risk of injury but might be safer for those with balance issues. Both cycling and running are excellent exercises. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and keeps you motivated. Alternating between the two can offer varied benefits and prevent boredom. For specific goals like weight loss or muscle toning, consider consulting a trainer for a tailored exercise plan. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.